Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Stephen Sanchez. Always nice to have him here on Growing Guitar. Emotional Vacation. What a great title on this song. And you really get that vibe if you look at the music video there. The sunny oceanside from the 60s, 70s or so. So yeah, really suitable title there, Emotional Vacation. Yeah, anyway, let's take a look at the song. So we have the capo set here on the second fret, and with that we have a couple of chords, a little bit different string pattern. We'll come to that, but first let's take a look at the tools we need here, the chords. So D first, that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have B minor, the next, and that's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the second fret from the A string and down, so you don't have to bar the last E string there. So 5 strings below, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the F sharp minor, still a bar chord, still on the second fret. This time you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Then we have the A as the 4th chord, and that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the final chord is the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so there we have all the chords for this song, and let's take a look at the string pattern. It's a little bit different here. So if you go to D, that is the first chord, you're gonna play up, down, down, up, down. So first up, down, down, then short pause, and then up, down. So up, down, down, pause, up, down. And then right immediately you're gonna play and shift the next chord here. You're gonna play only one string around per chord through the entire song. So up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, so that is the rhythm, and like I said, the chord shifts, this goes pretty fast there. So you're gonna play, for the verse play, D, B minor, F sharp minor, and A. Like I said, one string around per chord, and it goes like that. So D, B minor, F sharp, A. Okay, so there you have the verse play. Then the pre-chorus and the chorus is played in the same way. So you have the E minor 1, B minor 1, D1, and A1. So I think pre-chorus is played for 2 rounds and chorus for 2 rounds. In total 4 rounds, I'm not sure there, but anyway, you play in the same way these both parts here, pre-chorus and chorus. Let's do a couple of rounds of E minor, B minor, D, and A. And that's what you need to handle Stephen Sanchez, Emotional Vacation. Nice song there. So hope you enjoyed it, and till next time, play tuned.